Hello friends, today I have brought a very unique makeup from Pinterest.
Okay.
I have to clean my face, so let's clean the face. I keep buying Innisfree products, so I got this toner and serum as a gift. Today I am using Innisfree Vitamin C serum and applying it on my face. Massage it gently so that my skin absorbs the serum well. After this, now I am applying Innisfree Tone Up Cream. It gives you a perfect glow. For foundation, I am using L'Oreal Paris foundation, applying small amount on my face. Now blending the foundation gently. After this, now I am applying L'Oreal Paris concealer. Friends, if you have dark circles, then you can use color corrector. I have ordered the color corrector. Once it arrives, I will show you guys how to use it. The concealer is done. Now I set it with mask setting powder. Friends, recently I have bought this product from online. I will share the link on my YouTube post and video description. Let me use first, I'll tell you how it is. I will mix red and light brown color and apply it on the eye corner side. Now I am adding brown color and blend it with the red color. This brush is so good. Now I will apply brown eyeshadow under the eyes. After this, I will apply golden eyeshadow on the corner of the eyes. Now I will draw the line with brown color. I am going to apply golden color on the edges of the eyes. Now I will apply golden shimmer on the inner corner of my eyes. After this, quickly I am applying Maybelline eyeliner on my eyes, giving the exact shape of a wing. Now I will apply fake 3D eyelashes so that my eyes look more bomb. Friends, tell me the truth. You are also facing the same issue like me, right? For contour, I am mixing both dark and light brown color. Now make your mouth like a fish and contour your cheeks and jawline perfectly. Contour below the jaw in a triangle shape to disappear the double chin. For blush, I am using pinkish red. Today first apply it on nose and chin and then apply it on your cheeks. Same technique for the nose. Make a proper bridge and from the lower nose tip, make a V shape. After this, you have to make it upwards and connect the ends of the nose bridge line. I am using Maybelline Sky High Mascara on my lower eyelashes. Now I will make fake lower eyelashes with eyeliner. The most important part of the video is making a heart. For this, we will take a Maybelline lipstick and apply it on the round head stick and make a 2 dots on the cheeks just below the eyes and join the 2 dots to make a heart shape. This heart was made right above my mole and it looks like an emoji. Now I am using mask glitter and I will draw a border on all the hearts I made. I am applying dark brown shade for brows. For gradient lips, applying concealer on half of the lips, then gently blending with the beauty blender. After this, I am applying Maybelline maroon lipstick and blending the lipstick with the brush. Now I am using Lakme dark maroon shade and make a line on the middle of the lips and inner side of the lower lips, blending with the brush. Now draw a smudge line above Cupid's bow. After this, I am applying mask glitter on Cupid's bow, also applying on the nose bridge and nose tips. Now I am making fake moles. Makeup is done, but without proper dress it looks incomplete, so let's change the dress first. So this is the final look, cuties. I hope you like this video. So that's all for today's video, cuties. If you like this video, please do like, comment and share it, and comment which look should I create in my next video. And please subscribe to my channel because 60% people are watching my videos but didn't subscribe yet. So do it, cuties. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. Love you all. Bye.